Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today we want to show you this Tusk full glass windshield for the 2018 to 2021 Can-Am Maverick Trail, the Sport, and the newer Commander models. If you're shopping for a premium full glass windshield at a really good price, you just can't beat this option. And before I get in and talk about the features of this, I also want to point out just the full setup that we have on this side-by-side. We've got the Tusk Force aluminum roof, we've got the soft upper doors, and we have the polycarbonate rear window in the back. If you're trying to enclose your cab, this is hands down the best way to do it. If you want to beat the elements, beat the cold weather, this is phenomenal. In fact, I've been in this exact side-by-side in sub 40-degree temperatures, going at higher speeds. I stayed warm, I stayed comfortable the entire time. So definitely check out these other accessories that we have up here. But as far as this windshield goes, here's what we love about this. So the frame is powder-coated steel. It is super strong. The glass is the same laminated safety auto glass that you have in your car, your truck windshield. So the clarity is awesome. The durability is phenomenal. That's one thing that I always tell people is, this compared to polycarbonate, yes, polycarbonate is less expensive and there is, polycarbonate windshields that are scratch resistant, but it still doesn't compare to the durability and clarity of a glass windshield. Another feature that I really like about this one is when you look at it, they use the least amount of the frame material as possible, so that way when you're inside the cab looking out, you get really good field of view with this windshield. In fact, it almost feels like you don't have a frame on this at all because your field of view is so good when you're looking out of it. Now, another great feature about this is the install process. So Charles, our mechanic, he's done a how-to video. So once you buy this windshield, he will walk you through step-by-step how to get this installed. But there's two brackets that will come included, and you're gonna mount those to the frame. And once you get those mounted to the roll cage in the front, the cool thing is that you can drop this windshield on and install it in a matter of a minute or less. You just have 4 fastening knobs, 2 on each side. You just screw these down and your windshield's installed. And then when it comes time to remove it, if it's warmer temperatures and you just don't want the windshield on there, you just unscrew these knobs, pop the windshield off, the brackets stay on the roll cage, and you're good to go. So it's just a really cool setup and what they've done with this. It will come with a 12-inch wiper blade as well, so if you do get caught in some rain, you have that to wipe the windshield. And like I said, as far as fitment goes, we've got it mounted up with the Tusk Force aluminum roof. We've got these A-pillar mirror mount mirrors right here from Tusk as well, the pivoting folding mirrors. Awesome setup, and again, if you're shopping for a full glass windshield, you just can't beat this. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure leave those down below. And to grab one for your machine, it's simple. You can just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. Now, these are vehicle specific, so when you're picking yours up and you're on the product page, just enter the year, make, and model. That will ensure that you get the proper fitment. And as always, if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, so you always see the latest and greatest for your side-by-side, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and you're going to be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.